In this video, I'll show you how you can contact Roblox support. Now, first what you want to do is head over to roblox.com, and from in here, you'll be able to contact the support. Now, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and press help if you want to check for any questions. Like you can go to playing on Roblox if you have questions here, and these are the pre-made FAQs. Now, if you want to send them an email directly, what you can do is go to roblox.com/support, just like this. Now, if you go in here, you should see that you have the option to give your issues. So let's say if it's with a gift card and redeem, and you can tell them the issue right here. Now they will send you an email back to this one that you've typed in here when they have fixed your issue. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.